Here we are aiming to make your skincare journey a beautiful act of self-love and self-care. And despite the fact that you might be investing in like amazing treatments and amazing products, you might be unknowingly fast-tracking the aging process of your skin. And while aging is a privilege and not everybody gets to do it, there's things you might don't want to speed it up. So I wrote down a few points that you might want to be aware of to not fast tracking skin aging. One, and yes, I know I say it all the time, and it's the obvious, is skipping your sunscreen. Like, despite the fact that sun damage is becoming more to our awareness, unfortunately, pretty low percentage of people really apply SPF every day of the year and reapplying it. And SPF for me is the basic of anti-aging, because it's always easier to prevent than trying to correct, as well as tanning is temporary, and skin damage can take longer time to correct. So my advice: keep your SPF next to you. I have few in my bag, 2 in my car, and so just make it a habit and don't neglect it. That's the most important thing. The second speed aging thing you might be doing is over exfoliating your skin. So we have 2 types of exfoliating, physical and chemical. However, you might be overdo it, and then you just leave your skin dry and itchy and flaky and dehydrated, which is the recipe for fast aging. You want to watch out if you have exfoliating toner, exfoliating cleanser, exfoliating mask, exfoliating whatever, that you don't use everything together. And I believe in exfoliating once, twice a week maybe, depending on your skin type and conditions. Another thing is neglecting moisturizer. Even if your skin is oily, you still need moisturizer. Your skin relies on ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and other ingredients, basically, to build your skin and protect it and keep it healthy. And moisturizers support your barrier, which is the defense layer from your skin and the environmental elements. So lack of moisturizing ultimately speed up aging. No matter what kind of skin type you are, you need moisturizer from any type that you prefer and suits you. Another point is high content of specific alcohol in products, and that can be ethyl alcohol, denatured alcohol, and SD alcohol. Just be aware of these. If these ingredients are high in the ingredient list, it means that they are high in percentage in the product, and they can lead to speedy dryness and aging. Although small percentage of alcohol in a product is good because it helps ingredient penetrate the skin, again, you don't want to have it like the second thing in your product. Another mistake is ignoring the neck and the chest. I mean, you can put the amazing product on your face and you stop here, then your neck unfortunately shows aging pretty quickly. So everything that I apply, I never stop here. I go down, including my sun protection, to my neck and my décolleté and my hands, over the hands. Another thing that I wrote down is not having a regular facial routine. Facial is not just a luxury. It feels amazing, yeah, right? But it's like maintenance to your car. I believe that in facial you can achieve much deeper cleansing and attention to your skin, and you can get like really good advices on what to use and the products that you should use for your skin health. So having a routine, depending on your skin needs, but let's say 6 weeks, will for sure jump up your skin beautiful journey. Do you have any more things that you think speeding up aging? Share them down below and have a beautiful day.